Are you seeking information about how to make money online? Then check out these great tips. Learning how to make money online is something that many people today are searching for to help supplement their income. It can be a simple way to put a few extra bucks in your pocket, or if you're lucky, it can earn you a great living. Either way, there is something for everyone to learn with the tips in the following video, so keep watching. When planning how to make money working online, never put all your eggs in one basket. Keep as many options open as possible, to ensure that you will always have money coming in. Failure to plan like this can really cost you if your main site suddenly stops posting work or opportunities. Sell some of the junk that you have around the house on eBay. You do not have to pay to set up an account and can list your product any way that you want. There are many different training sites that you can use to get started the right way on eBay. If owning your own blog is a bit too time-consuming, but you would still like to write and earn money, think about creating videos for existing blogs. There are a number out there, including weblogs and pay-per-post. With a little research and a bit of initiative, you could get set up with one of these sites and start earning money in no time. As you can see from the above video, it is easy to understand how to make money online when you get the knowledge through great tips. You can join the millions of people worldwide who make money each day, if you pay close attention to the tips that you have just read. Making money online is a skill, and if you continue to study good tips and ideas such as these, there is no reason why you cannot make lots of money online. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.